Hi, I'm coming here very, very randomly because I just had this thought in my mind and I had to share here. I know I could have looked better, but it is what it is. So, I just had a session with a client. She lives in Canada and she works at this store as a salesperson. जब हम शॉपिंग वगैरह करने जाते हैं तो वहाँ लोग घूम रहे होते हैं, स्टाफ होता है जिनसे हम पूछ लेते हैं कि इस कपड़े का एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल कहाँ मिलेगा वैसे. तो शी इज़ वर्किंग एंड शी इज़ अ स्टूडेंट. तो she has these negative thoughts coming again and again in her, and I randomly gave her an example related to her workplace only. And when I think about it, it makes so much sense now. That think your negative thoughts as the customers who come here just to window shop. Like you are the, like I am the salesperson and there are two kinds of customers, राइट. सो एक लोग होते हैं जो जेन्युइनली शॉपिंग करने आते हैं और एक लोग होते हैं जो सिर्फ विंडो शॉपिंग करने आते हैं. दे आर जस्ट पासिंग दैम. तो जो हमारी नेगेटिव थाट्स होती हैं वो कस्टमर्स हैं जो विंडो शॉपिंग करने आते हैं. तो आई आस्क्ड हर दिस क्वेश्चन कि वंस यू गेट टू नो कि ओके आई हैव टू काइंड्स ऑफ कस्टमर्स एंड they are genuinely here to shop and they are just here to maybe time pass and waste our time maybe. So what do you do then? So she answered that I pay more attention to them and I will be available for them if they need me, but rest I let them on their own and I'll pay attention to them who are genuinely here to shop. So our thoughts are like that only. They are craving our attention. They come again and again and they'll ask for attention though. But what we have to do is we have to just let them stay there, pass by there, just stay there. We don't have to give any of our attention there. If they're disturbing us a lot, then maybe we can think about them and sit with them maybe. But if we have other things to do, we don't have to waste our time on negative thoughts. Instead we'll go to things that need our attention on priority, like the customers who are actually here to shop and like customers who are not here to shop. And similarly I then again gave an example कि जो beggars होते हैं रोड पर, हम अपनी गाड़ी से उतरे, we go to a shop, वो हमारी को फॉलो करेंगे थ्रू आउट कि दे दो दे दो दे दो दे दो दे दो. And it's up to us, either we stop there and give attention to them or not. And we'll, बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि हम अपने व्हीकल से उतरते हैं, we just go to our shop, हमें सपोज वी हैव टू बाय एन आइसक्रीम, हम अपनी आइसक्रीम लेते हैं, हम चल जाते हैं. बट दे कीप ऑन फॉलोइंग अस लाइक दे दो दे दो दे दो दे दो दे दो. बट समटाइम्स वी जस्ट डोंट पे अटेंशन टू देम. और कभी कभी क्या होता है, वंस वी पे अटेंशन टू देम, सपोज वी गिव अ 10 रुपी कॉइन टू अ चाइल्ड, सो दे विल बी लाइक दे विल गो एवरीवेयर एंड अपने जो साथ के लोग होते हैं उनको सबको बता देते हैं कि मुझे तो 10 रुपये मिले, मुझे तो 10 रुपये मिले. और जो और सारे बच्चे होते हैं वो आ जाते हैं, दीदी हमें भी दो, दीदी हमें भी दो. सो नेगेटिव थाट्स आर लाइक दीज ओनली. वंस यू स्टार्ट पेइंग अटेंशन टू इवन वन थाट ना, यू विल गो इनटू अ स्पाइरल ऑफ ओवर थिंकिंग. सारी थाट्स आ जाएंगी, मुझे भी अटेंशन दो, मुझे भी अटेंशन दो, मुझे भी अटेंशन दो. इट्स, I think it works like this way. So my approach to negative thoughts is like this. If we don't pay attention to them, instead we give more attention to something more productive and less attention. It's not that we have to ignore them or we have to distract ourselves. No, we don't have to distract ourselves. We have to take our time, good amount of time to sit with them and reflect on them. But how to not let negative thoughts hurdle with our other work is one approach, is this ki let them be there, give priority to other things, because once you pay attention to even one of the thoughts, other thoughts will come again and again and again. I hope I make sense.